Guys, we're back with Blitzenkreigen, and we're working on the back and forth. This is what I want you guys to be doing at home. Always got our nick set on 0, and I know there's somebody asked me the other day, well, don't you have to use the nick to give the pager meaning? No, you don't. That used to be what they believed, but you've got to give the pager meaning somehow. So what we're doing is using the Blitzenkreigen. Let's see if that keeps going. Blitzen! Blitzen! Wonderful! Wonderful! Alright guys, you didn't see that, but he ran after a squirrel. So I kept holding it down is what I did though, so you know, we have a less controlled environment than we do here in the than we do in the house. But alright, go ahead.
Blitzen! 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 Wonder, wonder, wonder. Geography boy.
Blitzen! Good, 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 good. Oh, he's a little jumper, he's a little jumper. Go ahead.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Blitzen! If you guys remember Elliot that we had, these are the full brothers to Elliot. So remember how gorgeous he was. All right, go ahead.
Blitzen! Good.
This is good exercise too, you guys. It's like deep knee bends. All right, go ahead.
Blitzen! Go to Blitzen! 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 Good, 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 good. Wonder, wonder, wonder.
Blitzen! Good. His name is Blitzenkreigen. And Sonya's from Germany, you guys, and she told me that name makes absolutely no sense. What did it mean again?
Blitzenkreigen. I mean, it's like, it's just not even grammatically right.
Oh, it's just all messed up.
Blitzkrieg, yeah, but Blitzenkreigen.
Well, we already had a Blitzkrieg before, so we had to a Blitzenkreigen. It's all messed up, as Sonya says. Blitzen! Oh, no, 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 no. Blitzen! Whatever you gotta do to get the successful behavior to occur. Alright, you guys. Uh-oh. More updates in. Camera.